Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. It looks easy to do. So far, so good. Yep, one more side, and then we're in. Oh, oh no, we're not in. Struggle. We have a problem. But I'm gonna have to manhandle this. I'm gonna have to use my muscles. I'm getting into this box. And oh, let's get rid of the paper. Who cares about the paper? I don't care about the paper. And we have the J tree, the Joshua Tree Healing Salve. And then I think I'm going to open the box. No, I'm not going to open the box. Now we have a no name box. Okay, we'll see what's in that box. And we also have the Joshua Tree Climbing Salve as well. So now I cheated. Let's take a look at what's in the box. You don't need to see me struggle more. This is the healing salve, and I'm going to open it, and you can see what the salve looks like. It smells amazing, by the way. So good. And this can heal any like cuts, sores, really super dry hands. This is the climbing one. It looks the same. It smells the same. It smells amazing. And again, this is perfect for anyone that has any skin issues that they need to resolve. And in that no-name box, this is the Reef Safe sunscreen. So it's Hawaii approved, and I love that. So you can use this safely in the water. And so let's just gather all three of these. Yep. And this is from Joshua Tree.